Okay, try this again. My name is Bree Roby. The date is February 17th, 2021. Hope it's okay I use the whiteboard that they gave us with the webcam instead of a piece of paper. I'm here, just finished up at work. I'm currently a PTA, physical therapist assistant, and I'm taking this course, Anatomy, in hopes to boost my chances of getting into a doctorate of physical therapy program. Taken anatomy before, so the information is not brand new, which is good, but it's been a long time. As I said, I'm a DPT hopeful. I graduated from college in 2010 from Stephen F. Austin here in Texas, and tried to get into DPT school, unsuccessful, so I became a PTA with the goal of always finishing at some point. So University of Texas recently started this program about 2 or 3 years ago, and because I'm so close, this is the one. There's only one other program, and that's in Ohio, and that's a little bit more time consuming. So my goal is to finish as a doctorate of physical therapy. I currently work in outpatient and home health, and my goal is to do everything I can for everyone I meet. I really don't even care the setting. I just want to make it. And for me, that's making it there. So it's been a lot that's happened in a couple weeks, but I'm finally glad to get some of these things and get this course rolling. So I expect to finish on time and with an A.